Hey folks, here, check this out. So we doing something nice for our housemates here tonight because they've been so generous the last couple of weeks when I wasn't able to buy groceries because money got sucked out of my account. So today I was able to get to the grocery store and we are doing something special for them. Making tacos. Yeah. Almost ready to start simmering. And then pop those taco shells in the oven. Those only take like 7 minutes. And then everyone's gonna be eating like a champ here tonight. And the secret ingredient is love. Because I love my housemates. They're good people. They treat me good, I treat them good. We all support each other in our sobriety. So and it's nice to do nice things for people. So here's what tonight I'm gonna pay them back. Maybe pay it forward a little bit. So that's how my evening's going. This is fun. I haven't actually cooked in a while. You know, like actually really cooked something. So I guess, you know, it's tacos, so there's not that much to it, but you know, most of the time I'm using that air fryer right there. You know, or there's a George Foreman grill back there, you know, cook up some hot dogs or something on, you know, something quick. 'Cause my time is usually pretty limited. But tonight, we're doing it in style. So if your mouth is watering, good. It should be. All right, y'all have a good night. I'll talk to y'all soon.